morning, guys. Officially day 2 and I'm currently at the dining and I'm here to have breakfast because I think that's the only thing they provide for us in this hotel, bed and breakfast basically. So I'm just gonna go around and see what they have, and afterwards I'm already dressed. I'm going to the market. I need to get some things. I heard that this market is the cheapest market in Dubai, right? It's called Jara Market. It's called Jara Market here. So stay tuned. Okay, there's rice again today. Eggs, sausages, potatoes. So let's see. Yeah, she's gone.
White omelette with vegetables.
So breakfast is served. Now first I want you to chop this morning because what? So we are done having breakfast and the taxi is here. I can't wait for us to get to the market so that I can see what this market is all about. I've heard so much about this market. Everybody's like, don't come to Dubai without going to the market. Okay, the market, here we come. Anyways, as we were going, we were looking at the beauty of the city. Dubai is really, really beautiful, and they have good road network. Architecture is damn, like it's very, very dope, and everything is just nice. Anyways, the focus of this video is to head to the market, which is what we're about to do right now. So guys, we've gotten to the market and we are looking at getting gold. If you can, as you can see, all these are gold shops over here. Pure gold. So how many carats is this? 18. So how much is this? This one.
How much? How many grams is it?
How many grams is that?
This one 900.
900 dirhams.
In gold? In dollars?
In dollars is how much? $245. Okay. So they have this in shop lifts.
Shop perfume and
So they sell perfume here and stoves. So we are going to go up. We are coming. We are coming up.
The picture is fine. It's video. It's fine. Now don't come sit.
Oh, they sell hair here. Is this original hair?
I don't wear this.
Got this for 20 dirham. No, it's not far.
I beg.
Guys, see how cute this looks in my finger.
How much is this, Henry?
But it's expensive. What's the best price for this?
I give you this for no problem.
How much?
60 dirham is not actually expensive. I am giving this one guarantee for 5 years. Any problem, any problem.
I should come back. I should fly from Nigeria and come back because of this.
I give you flight
Best price, how much? How much is the best price? Give me, tell me, let me know.
I add.
I think this would go with my necklace, right?
Okay.
75.
Can I see this? Can you remove it? My nails won't let me remove it.
Okay. So that's
My necklace. I didn't bring it. Everybody that's seen the picture says it. So let's go ahead and buy this.
I want to buy Thailand.
Little, they are done buying, they are packaging it.
I will show you. Let me pack this.
Get that what they bring for us.
So just a quick backstory. The first goat shop we went to was extremely expensive, but they had nice and original gold, but it was so expensive. So we came to somewhere else where we could get gold plated jewelries, which is what we actually got. In that same shop, they have this place where you can mix perfumes yourself. You can buy jewelries, and that's what I'm currently doing. So you buy your scent and then you make your own perfume from it here. So I'm going to be doing that right away.
Finish. I like this. This is Wahala.
So guys, I'm here. What's the name of your shop again?
Modern Valley. This is
I'm here at Uda Valley and I'm going to be making my perfume today. So yes, I said I want. Let me give me 2 cents. Let me see.
Like what kind of smell do you like? Something sweet, something floral?
Floral, something floral.
Then you check the Gucci blue.
Gucci blue. Okay.
Check this one.
Where's the diffuser that I can use? Scent. What is this called?
This is pepper, just pepper.
Let me test
This
it.
is
Is it nice?
Can I get something else?
Give me, let me
I will choose between the two.
something floral you want, anything other. What are you like Prada?
Yeah.
Check this Prada paradox.
Prada paradox, yeah.
You smell like this.
Let me see. This is a bit harsh.
But when it comes to perfume, it smells very nice.
You want to try this? Okay, so what are you doing right now?
Actually, I'm cleaning the vessel.
Oh, the vessel that we used to make the perfume.
Yeah, like because I use the same vessel for every perfume. So every time I make new perfumes, I have to clean it.
Okay.
Otherwise, the smell will mess up.
Okay.
I have to make sure it doesn't smell the old perfume here.
Okay.
Like I have to clean like 2 to 3 times.
Okay.
Now you smell? You can smell it?
No.
That's the smell of alcohol.
Oh.
There is no perfume in it.
Okay.
So, here
So you clean with alcohol.
yeah,
Okay.
alcohol is it makes the perfume also.
Okay.
So you need to make the Gucci blue. This is your side.
Okay.
This is the vessel.
Okay.
And you prefer this one
Yeah.
or this one? I have 2 colors.
This looks finer.
So okay, now it's your turn.
Okay. With this Gucci blue, and I'm gonna be measuring to get to 20. Oh, now I get this ethanol, and I measure it to get to 55. Take this high density water. Okay. And then I'm going to be taking this secret ingredient that will make this perfume last long. So, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm going to be taking this magnet and I'm going to be placing it here. And then I'll take this and I'll start licensing it. How long do I have to do this? So we are done.
1 minute.
Now we are going to be placing it in here. So now I'm done. I'm gonna be covering this and this. Wow, this is so good. This perfume, this is so good. Oh my god, so happy. So finally I'm going to be getting a suitable cover. I think I like this and my perfume. So guys, I'm trying to customize my perfume and I'm going to be calling this Mira's Signature because I mean I made this myself. So yeah.
Mira signature.
Yes, nice.
So those who need Mira signature, come to Udal Valley and make your own.
Please do, please do. This is mind blowing. Smells so good.
Like, ta-da!
And done.
Udal Valley Mira signature.
Yeah. Now we've entered hot sun because we are trying to look for where to buy other things. Oh my god, this place is very, very, very hot, guys. Let's go. So here I'm buying skincare here. Yes. We are here to buy random chocolates. Oh my god, all these stuffs are here. Dates, lots of stuff. I'm here for chocolate though. So let's see. So finally, the Dubai chocolate I'm looking for is here. Let's find out the price and see if it's that chocolate here. So give me 30. How much is 30? This is more like 30 something K for one chocolate. Gosh, what's this? I'll just pick a bit of this. Woo! It's falling. I wish I have money to buy these nuts, but I think I can buy some. Okay, let's go. Give me that date. Okay, give me this. Okay, where's that one you said ahead? This, a bit of this.
Okay.
That's nice. You put it differently, yeah. I have here almond and nuts. Okay. Now I need the same perfect. Yeah. Give me this because so yeah.
More? This one.
Yeah, give me that one.
No, just put more. I want to mix. You know where.
Too much. Don't put or reduce.
This one okay?
Yeah,
Another.
that's fine.
But I don't buy a deal. How much on you they buy?
I don't know. I will spend. That's fine.
Don't try it.
Let me see.
Beg.
Can I see? Okay, that's fine. I can't believe I ended up buying all of this. Okay, tell me the price. How much? We are trying to see if we can take metro home. I hope it doesn't too. They said it's faster. Card that my brother already gave me. I'm just going to check the balance. So I'm seeing that I have 10 to 50. Okay, I think I have enough balance to take for where we are going to.
Yeah, we're going to do now. No one has closing. No one has I have. This is where we're supposed to. We see people waiting there.
Doesn't matter, it can open both sides. So the train around. Wow. It's too full. Okay, some people might come down. Oh wow. We'll have to find a way to get in. The next station is what?
الأبواب تغلق الجدار
So our stop is Al-Jadaf. The next stop is Al-Jadaf.
The next station is Al-Jadaf.
It was overall a successful day, and we obviously came back to Dera Market more than 4 times because you can't just go to that market once. I got perfume and chocolate on this day, went back on other days and got other things, and I'm really glad I did. You should also visit Dera Market whenever you see yourself in Dubai. Anyways, I guess this brings us to the end of this amazing video. Stay tuned for more videos. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I really appreciate. I'll see you guys in my next one, and until then, bye bye.